Hello guys, welcome to yet another video tutorial. In this video tutorial I will be telling you how you can set up upselling app that is Reconvert. So let's move on to screen. This is our test store and we will move on to apps and we will visit app store. Upsell is basically a process of selling more product to the customer that is checking out and reach the thank you page. So we can reconvert the customer or we can upsell them. So we will quickly move on to the screen and download upsell app. I will download Reconvert. According to me, this is the best upsell app. After installing and adding the app to your Shopify store, you will simply give all the permissions that it asks for, and you will go for pricing. It is also free and you can also update your plan later. It also offers free trial, so don't worry about that. As you can see, free up to 50 orders per month. Then it will charge approx $8 on your credit card. So we'll move on and we'll go on to the setup. And as you can see here, enable Reconvert. If you want to make your own template, you can create your own template by simply clicking here, and you can customize your template on the thank you page by the following settings as stated by Google. So you will type name, upsell I will type here, and we will save here. And you can add logo and all other stuffs. You can add on the left corner here you will show the upsell product, or here you can show the upsell product, or anywhere in this page you want to. You can go and add pop-ups, order tracking, and product comments. Also Magic Designer, this is a new one. And if you don't want to customize your own template, you just simply use the inbuilt template, which is pretty good. I recommend to use it. And here you can see, you can go to customize the inbuilt template. So as you can see here, this I will show you the thank you page, and now what it's look like after activating the upsell app. So as you can see here, this is our previous thank you page without the upsell app. This is our previous thank you page without the upsell app. Now it looks like this, something like this. As you can see here, these are the upsell products right here, and these are offer product, also the upsell products, as you can see here. And also you can activate the newsletter on your Shopify by clicking on this. Now after customizing the template, you can simply click on actions, and you can preview it. It is already in action. As you can see here, these are the analytics of your thank you page. It will show you the impression it gets of offer accepted. If some customer reconverts purchase another item from your store, here will be the count, and all the other stuff as you can see here. And we can create multiple templates, and we can choose one by one, and we can sort our best template. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I just want to ask you guys, please, if you like the content I dropped here, if you like the value I provided here, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be dropping this type of content twice in a week. And thank you and peace out.